Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to add wireless Wi-Fi network manually in Windows 11. Firstly, from your Windows desktop, go to Start menu, Settings, then Network and Internet, or you can just click the Wi-Fi option on your taskbar to open it. Now select Manage Known Networks, then click on Add Network. Fill in the following information such as network name, security type, and security key, which is the Wi-Fi password. Now check the following boxes if desired: connected automatically or connect even this network is not broadcasting. Now all you have to do is just click Save to finish adding your Wi-Fi network. Your device will now connect automatically when that network is in range. And that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed it, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.